Go.
Why, hello there. That's all I got. Let me get more prepared for science. Science! Okay, a little too much science. I'll be right back. Today we're going to learn about chemical and physical changes. First, we're going to do the meaning of a physical change. A change that takes place that doesn't alter the original object. So that means if I take this piece of paper and rip it, it's still paper. It's just a physical change. It doesn't alter what this object originally is. Now we're going to talk about a chemical change. A chemical change is a change that chemically alters the object, making a new product. So now if I take the same piece of paper and I rip it and put it in my mouth, the enzymes in my mouth are breaking down the paper, going to make a new product. Know where that ends up. Let's go down to the laboratory. Alright, we're first going to start off with a chemical change. If you zoom up here, this paper, once I set fire to it, can no longer become paper again. It changes into ashes. As you can see right here, ashes.
I'll take these.
Another chemical change is metal that over time tarnishes and turns into rust. You cannot get back the metal. Ever! Another example is taking baking soda.
That's enough.
Oh. Vinegar. Hopefully apple cider vinegar works. Science. Bottoms up. Okay. If I were to make a cake, as you can tell, it'd be an awful cake. You put it in the oven, let it cook over time, and then you get a whole new product because it will turn into cake. Because before it wasn't cake, but it will be. And now for a physical change.
Examples.
You can go from water into ice, but from the same thing. But yeah, and that's a physical change because if I were to take ice, like I just showed you, and warmed it in my hands, just applying heat, look it's starting already to form water because it's the same thing. It's just a physical change, not changing the original item or object. Now with my handy dandy science tool, you take pepper and salt and pour it on the same plate. It's still, and mix it together, it's still just salt and pepper. Again, taking my salt, if I put it in this water, zoom up on this. So it dissolves in the water, but if you still break it apart, as if, like if you take salt water and you dry it out, you would get all the salt from the water because there's still just salt and water. Nothing new is being made. So now, another physical change is pretend this is an X of yours. Crush it up! Ball it, throw it in the ground, stomp on it. And look, it's still the same X. You'll never get rid of them, unfortunately. And this concludes my project of chemical and physical changes. I'm about to go chemically change my dad's chocolate bar. Yeah, it's a glass.
You don't see it.
Okay, ready? Alright. Guys, you're making so much noise right now.
Okay. Oh, it's recording now. What?
No. And then really there. How you doing?
Beautiful.
That means if I were to take this... Now we learn about chemicals.